Well, hi friends, it's Sunday, July 5th, and this morning at 8 o'clock, we had the most special, is that good grammar, time with about 100 Pakistani families from about, 30 kilometers outside of the city at a brick factory. And these precious people came together from all over and sat on the ground, and we had over Zoom or FaceTime a special time of worship. We sang Hallelujah in Urdu. I had a great translator. And the theme of today was love God, love others. But one of the highlights for me was when each child came forward and said, "Hi, my name is Miraname Judi. Okay, say hey, how are you?" And it was so lovely. And I think I could sense their delight that somebody on the other side of the world cared about their name. They're at the brick factory outside of this little town, outside the city. And I was talking with some friends after, and I told them, how cool, yes, it's cool that I learned their name, but even more important that God, the creator of the universe, knew their name and knows their name and loves them. So the theme today was love God and love others. So they all said together, love God in Urdu and then in English, and then love each other. And then after we experience that vertical relationship with God, how can we show God's love to each other? And so that's where the manners lady comes in. And we talked about kindness and using the 5 fabulous phrases. And I picked up this great little karaoke machine and my little monster Bluetooth, which I've learned how to use, and we had a little concert with the 5 fabulous phrases, and we translated that into Urdu. Please, thank you, is shukriya. And just making other people feel special with our attitude, words, and actions. So it was wonderful. Thank you for your prayers for this ministry, the Civility Project. And I said, we look around and see chaos in the world, but God can bring hope and healing into our lives and their lives way over in Pakistan.